What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have something very special. You guys know I put out a video about these dual subs from Sonos right here. Just that breaking news letting you know that this is now something that is available through Sonos. But now, in this video here today, I am going to be opening these up, showing you the subwoofers, which I've already shown you, the prior generation subs, but then I'm going to show you the in-app setup, like how you actually configure it, and then also, to come, play some demos. I'm really excited about this. You guys have been asking about this for a really long time. Can I hook up multiple subs? And now the answer is yes. Wireless, easy. It's going to bring a very immersive experience to the space. All right, guys, well, enough talking about it. If you would like to purchase, give us a ring. Nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. Let's get into this video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. I've actually made some unboxing videos already of this product as well as the other Sonos products, so we'll just go ahead and fast forward through this part. All right, got them out of the box. Let's check these bad boys out. So the new subs actually look exactly the same as the old one, right there. Other than the button on the side, right here. Little sync button, the old one, right there. They're really clean looking and they're small. That's what I really like about these Sonos subs. And retail on them, about 700 bucks. And they're plug and play. Really can't beat it. Good looking equipment. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is get into the in-app setup and get these puppies plugged in. Okay, before we get into the app, let's talk about placement in the room. I really like the idea of having a subwoofer at the front of the room and one at the back of the room. It gives you better dispersion throughout the space. You don't have to do that, and a lot of it's going to depend on the room and where you do have space or wife approval to put the sub. But in my professional opinion, even in theater rooms, we like to put them one at the front of the room, one at the back of the room, especially on deeper setups. Like in this room here, we actually have technically 8 different places you could sit, spreading out over like a 15-foot area. So I want that audio to really transfer through the room. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one up here, right here at the front of the room. You look on the bottom, they actually have a network connection if you wanted to hardwire it in. Wireless technology has come a long way. Works pretty good these days. So I'm gonna put one right here, and then I'm gonna put the other one back here at the rear of the room. Thinking like right here, next to the yoga mats. All right, so I'm gonna put the other one right back here. And I'll probably tweak this a little bit depending on how it's performing, or how my wife wants it to look. I might even move it like right there, but you get the idea. One back here and then one over there. All right, let's get into the in-app setup, guys. Wow, guys, this is like ridiculously easy. As always with Sonos, I mean, I just opened up the app after plugging them in, and it's like, oh, we found a sub. And it's like, would you like to set the sub up? Press the button on the sub with the flashing white and green light. So right there on the front of the sub. Actually, I have it the other way, but turn it around so you guys can see it. Green. I think that's green and white. It's definitely a flashing green. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. And that's it. I mean, the Sonos pieces set themselves up. There's not a whole lot to it. Super easy, guys. Okie dokie. Now we're here at the back of the room. And you can see my app here. Boom. Found it. Connecting to your sub. Really can't be any easier. There's a reason we sell so much of these. They're just easy, which with technology, who wants it to be complicated, really? And they're pretty affordable. All right, we are now connected. So it's just asking where we're putting the sub now. Selecting the family room. There's an update for your subs. I'm gonna run the update. And they have like a little advertisement in here. The Sonos has AirPlay 2 built in, which is really cool. If you guys are a Apple user, it's that function to where basically you just slide down right from the top of your screen and you can select any room to play it to. It's pretty cool. They also have alarms. I've talked about that in a lot of my videos where, you know, maybe you want your master bathroom to come on every day before you go to work. You can set that for 6:30 a.m. It's a pretty cool feature. And if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, you have to, because I've taken you guys or our subscribers on the YouTube channel through like hundreds of homes and showed you all the different ways that you can configure your Sonos system and many other types of systems with different speaker combinations. So if you like need in ceiling, or you need in wall, or you want floor standing, or I've even integrated in piano players and turntables. I mean, it's limitless. I mean, you can do so much with the Sonos system, because they have a bunch of other pieces too. If you guys aren't familiar, they have a bunch of wireless stuff, like small little ones like the ones. They have the 5. They used to have a 3. I think they got rid of that one. It's like a medium size. And then they have the Sonos Arc, which replaced the play bar. And then they have the Sonos port, which you can use to plug into different systems. And then they have the amps, which we use the amps religiously. They power up in-ceiling speakers throughout people's homes. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're done here. Actually, it looks like the other sub is updating now, so both of them had to go through a quick little update, and just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about Sonos. So while we wait, what's really cool is the independent zone control. Like, we're specifically talking more about like theater use, or maybe not dedicated theater, but just movie watching, right, is what's super cool about this setup. The Sonos Arc with the surrounds and the 2 subs, that configuration is technically in home theater called a 5.2.2. Now, what I think is, and has always been the coolest thing about Sonos, is complete independent zone control. So they kind of show you right here, and I'll show you once I get the app pulled up, but basically you have different rooms laid out throughout your entire house, whether it's your bathrooms, bedrooms, your pool table room, your outdoor spa. It can be literally, like I said, there's solutions for everything. And you guys give us a call. We offer a free design service, and we'll walk you through all of the different options and find something that fits your exact needs and budget. But you can group together, like say for example, if I was hanging out here with some buddies, I could put music on in the living room, and I could put music on in the kitchen and the patio out here, and we could just hang out here, and then my wife could go out in the hot tub and listen to music completely independent out there. Or you can go down and play pool. in the pool table room and completely independent music down there. We can group the whole entire house together for whole house audio. Another thing that's cool is they have voice control built in, so that, and I've done a video showing the voice control with the Sonos Arc. It actually works really well. So you can just, you know, tell it to start playing music and tie in all your music services right into the voice control. It's pretty sweet. Okay, that one's been added in now. So we are ready to rock and roll, guys. All right, guys, it's so easy. There's nothing to it. You just follow the on-screen instructions after you download the app and set it up. It's super easy. My grandma could do it. All right, so our primary seating area is right here facing the TV. Now, as you guys noticed, I have this on like a swing arm, and I positioned it straight because we have this open concept, which a lot of you guys probably have. It's become really popular in America, but whenever we're watching it over here, we want the audio directed towards us, but we don't really care about the quality of it because, you know, we're just cooking and stuff. But you do want to tune it facing the primary seating area, which if you're gonna watch a movie, that's gonna be our seating area. So you can see now it's balanced through the app. And the next step is walking around and tuning it. So I'm gonna hit next. Trueplay. Get ready to move around. I'm ready to tune. Let's go. Trueplay tuning successful. Trueplay has tuned the sound for this location. You may hear improvements at first and increased clarity the more you listen. Again, it's easy, guys. We have really super high-end products available for our audiophiles out there, but for the average consumer that's just looking for easy to use, plug and play, you just can't beat Sonos. Cool. Now, there's a lot of other really cool things built into this app. You got, you know, EQ adjustments, surround sound adjustments, sub adjustments, treble adjustments, bass adjustments, just a lot of adjustments for something that is this easy to plug in, so you can kind of tune it yourself to your liking. Like if you like a lot of bass, crank those subs up, but if you're wanting more just the high frequency but you want the good dispersion of 2 subs, you can turn the bass down. So it's a pretty cool system. All right, guys, I want to make a separate video with a bunch of demos, nothing but demos, but I know you guys are gonna kill me if I don't put at least one demo on this. So I'm gonna go ahead on this video right now, fire up a demo for you guys and let you know my thoughts. So far, setup is a breeze and I would definitely recommend the product. Let's keep moving along, guys. Before we get into this demo, guys, I noticed that the sun's coming really harsh right now, just tearing up our image, really. Like, you guys will be able to see anything here. So I want to point out another service that we offer. If you guys are looking for automation, we have you covered there. In this house here, we have Lutron shades, and it's one button press. You know, you want to bring those shades down right here on your phone. Shades afternoon. Just another cool little app. And you can even tie that into voice control. So it's another service that we offer. Make sure to ask about that whenever you call in. All right, guys, let's get to this demo. All right, guys, what I'm gonna play for this demo is Casino Royale. It was a recommendation from Sonos, and they said to play this part at like 48.5 minutes in and let you know what I think. So let's fire it up and I'll kind of walk you guys through the room too, so you can not only feel both subs, but if you haven't seen my other video on the surrounds and the way the Atmos works, you'll kind of hear it a little bit in this video. I'll take the microphone and put it up next to the speakers. All right, let's do it. Hear all that low frequency bass. Definitely makes a difference. Let's see how this surrounds. Alright guys, well that is a wrap on that demo. I had to give you guys something, couldn't leave you hanging with just the walkthrough. But long story short, as always with Sonos, super easy to set up. It sounds great for the money. It's plug and play, you can't beat it. Adding in an additional sub, giving you that dispersion in the front of the room and the back of the room, really just makes it that much more cinematic. I made a separate video about the Sonos Arc versus like the old Play Bar, and even though this room's conditions are not right for Dolby Atmos, really you want a flat ceiling for it to bounce off the ceiling and hit you, it still adds some dimension to the room because you can hear more audio up here than before with just the Play Bar. So I think all in all, the effects ripping through the room, the dual subs with that Arc, I mean, for the money, it's a great solution, guys. Really no complaints here. I hope this helped you guys make an educated buying decision. If you would like to purchase, reach out and show your support. It helps us keep making these videos for you guys. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed, as well as a free design service. I know this wireless audio is pretty self-explanatory, but call us, talk to us. We'll help you out at absolutely no cost and find a package that fits your exact needs and budget. All right, well that's a wrap. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.